Hello, lovers of literatures. GM is here to share something more about English literatures, which is very helpful in your exams in PPSC, FPSC, PMS, CAT, journals, and subjects. Please stay with me to get more videos on YouTube's. The topic of the today's video is the preparation for the Renaissance chronology. The period comprises 1516 to 1558. Let's start our next slide. The preparation for the Renaissance. First of all, we shall discuss about history. 1521, the Oxford reformers call it Erasmus and Myers. 1517 and 1529, the beginning of Reformation, Luther, Zwingli and Calvin's. 1534, Act of Supremacy. 1535, More and Fisher executed. 1536 to 1539, suppression of monasteries. History continues. 1549, progress of Reformation, the first prayer book. 1554, restoration of papal promise, supremacy by Bloody Mary. 1555 to 1558, persecution of Protestants, martyrdom of Ridley, Latimer and Cranmer. Discuss here the kings of the periods. Henry VIII, 1509 to 1547. Edward VI, 1547 to 1553. Mary Bloody, 1553 to 1558. Thanks to watch the video. Hope it will be fruitful in your exam. Please subscribe my channels on YouTube by clicking on the link below. Thanks again. Goodbye.